Hey everyone, AWESMR Kids here, and today we're going to be playing a learning colors activity with baby Skye. Say hi, Skye.
Hello, everyone. Hi.
Are you ready to play our learning colors game?
Yeah. Skye loves learning so much. Wow, so much Play-Dohs.
Let's learn the colors of the Play-Doh and then magically transform them into food using the magic microwave. Our first Play-Doh is the color red. Let's see what food it turns into when we put it in the magic microwave. Awesome! The magic microwave turned our red Play-Doh into a red apple. Let's cut it into slices for baby Skye to eat.
Ooh, that apple was so yummy. Skye's still hungry, though. More, please.
More food coming right up. Our second Play-Doh is the color yellow. Let's grab some of this yellow Play-Doh and put it in the magic microwave. I can't wait to see what food this turns into. Nice! Our yellow Play-Doh magically transformed into a yellow banana. Let's peel this banana for Skye so that she can eat it.
That banana was so good. More, please.
More food coming right up. Our third Play-Doh is the color orange. Let's take a chunk of orange Play-Doh out of the can and see what the magic microwave turns this into. The orange Play-Doh turned into an orange. Thank you, magic microwave. Skye's going to be so happy. Let's peel the orange skin off and feed Skye. A whole orange might be too much for Skye in one go, so let's make little orange wedges.
Ooh, yummy orange. Skye's still hungry. More food, please.
Okay, our fourth Play-Doh color is green. Skye's still hungry, so let's put some of this green Play-Doh in the magic microwave and see what food it turns into. Awesome! The green Play-Doh transformed into a pear. The magic microwave rocks! Let's cut this in half so that it's easier for Skye to eat.
That pear was so tasty. More food, please.
Don't worry, more food coming right up. Our fifth Play-Doh color is blue. Let's see what food this Play-Doh turns into when we put it in the magic microwave. Whoa, what is this? How cool! Skye got a cup full of blue gumballs. This is one of her favorites. Let's use a spoon to feed Skye some gumballs.
Gumball's Skye's favorites. So good. More, please. Please, please, please.
Skye sure can eat. Our sixth Play-Doh color is purple. Can't wait to see what the magic microwave turns this into. What food do you think it's gonna be? If you guessed eggplant, you're correct. The purple Play-Doh turned into a whole eggplant. Let's cut this in half for Skye.
Oh, that eggplant was not so good. Yucky. Skye no like dessert now, please.
Dessert? You got it! Our seventh Play-Doh color is pink. Alright, magic microwave. Skye wants dessert, so please transform this pink Play-Doh into something sweet. The magic microwave is amazing! It turned the pink Play-Doh into a pink ice cream on the cone. Here's your dessert, Skye.
This is so good. Yummy ice cream. Pink is Skye's favorites. Skye's thirsty now. Drink, please. Please, please, please.
Sure thing. Our last Play-Doh color is white. Let's see what drink the magic microwave turns this white Play-Doh into. Awesome! The white Play-Doh turned into a bottle of warm milk. Here you go, Skye. Wash down your meal.
All done. This game was so much fun. I hope you all had fun learning with Skies. See you next time. Bye, everyone. Bye.